want to thank you for watching and ask you to stick around till the end. I have a little surprise in store. The name Nuthatch is derived from an Old English word meaning nut hacker, referring to their habit of hacking at nuts to open them. This behavior is not limited to nuts. Nuthatches also wedge insects and other food items to tear them apart or store them for future consumption. The nuthatch's clever foraging behavior can be seen as a symbol of ingenuity and resourcefulness. Because they consume insects, they are often considered to be a gardener's friend. During the breeding season, insects become a more significant part of their diet as they provide the necessary protein for raising their young. Nuthatches have strong zygodactyl feet, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 backward, allowing them to grip tree trunks.